Oops. Good morning, everyone. It's Michelle from Michelle's Ink and Stamp It, and let's see here. I got that straightened out just a little bit. There we go. Okay. So today we're going to add some papers to the back. I printed up a bunch of Genevieve's background papers, her 8.5 by 11 ones, and so I think we'll use these in here. I think the colors will go good together. So I'll go through these real quick so you can see them. These are on her autographed floral companion ones. So she has a lot of writing, flowers that she's drawn. And then this came from an autograph book that she had. These are the ones that you saw yesterday that I used on that little envelope piece. So we might have to find something from there too, but let's get started. Okay. So the first one I come to, I'm just going to look for any of the ones that have the backgrounds that need something on them. So I think what I'm going to do here, or not, I think this is what I'm going to do. Get the glue all over this. And then she prints up her, or in her things, she has both portrait and landscape in these, so you can do whatever you need. And I think, since I have all those going the same way, I'm going to put this the opposite way. So I think I'm going to just run this down over here. Fold that up along there. Get my bone folder out. I should have done that ahead of time. Okay. And then I think I'm just going to take use my little ruler here. Give it a little rougher edge. And her colors are pretty neutral, so they end up going well with a lot of things. So let's keep going here. I have these 2 pages that I need to cover up, so we won't use the same thing. So I hope everybody's doing well. Thank you for joining me. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. That's too much the color of that, so we'll use something else. Let's go with this one here, because it has the greens in it. Okay. Here, put this on the back side. I was thinking it was big enough I was going to have to move it around, but I don't. So are you working on a journal? What's on your desk? What are you working on? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to try to do this in less than 30 minutes because I have my stretch and folds going on my sourdough. Okay, there we go. And so next time if I did this, I would try to remember if I have a white side on the page to put the tape on that white side, knowing that I'm going to cover it up with something else instead of having the tape showing. Okay, so my camera went dead. The battery went dead when I was putting this on. I'm not sure where exactly that we left off, but hey, we're going to just go from here. So let's pull this up. I think I'll just tear that in. Tear this part. Okay, so now I have that there. And then let's give this one a little bit more of a writing area. So let's put the glue on there. I'll only do a couple of these pages because you know how to do them after I do a couple. You probably already know how to do them. I'm getting together some more ephemera. So I think we put a bunch of ephemera in here, but nowhere near what we needed. So we will work on that. Rachel did some cute fabric swatch tags, so I think I'll do a couple of those for this because I like that. And I have a bunch of fabric sitting here, so we might as well use it up. Okay, so let's figure out where this is going to go. I think I wanted this on here, so let's flip this over. And I'll try to put it on the... That'll work like that. We'll see. And I'll have to cut some little notches where the notches are out, but we'll we will get that done too. Let's put this lid on. Oh, I think I like to go down the long side first, or the longer side. Okay. And then we'll do the shorter side. And then where the little notches, I'll just notch those out with the scissors like I did to begin with. And up here. Hope I'm not getting my head in there. If I did, oh well. Okay, just pulled that out. Okay, let's see. Sorry about keep saying okay. All right. So I have to go through and do a couple more pages, and I have a bunch of stuff pulled out. So I think I'll put this here. I guess we could do that. I'll go through and show you what I'm going to put where. like this. So do we have enough to use that? We do, so let's put that there. I got that backed. I have this one backed already. This needs to be backed. So I could put this here, that'll take care of that. That's backed. That's backed. That's backed. Okay. I think I want to use that again. Let's use this here with the big flower. That doesn't need a back, that's the belly band. Good there. Those are all book pages, so those are good. All right. So let me pause you on that, and I will come back. Let's see. I see something here that might be nice, so let's see what we have. That. Okay. I have that, so I could actually put this here. Just put that whole thing down. And that would work. You could easily write on that or add stuff to it. So let's go ahead and do that on here. Well, let's see if I make a mess. Take that paper clip off. Okay, well, of course I can't. So let's put this down before that glue dries. Of course, I dug my... That's why I don't like using credit cards, but now my bone folder did it too. I should have did it this way. Am I speaking English or I don't know. Okay. Let's see, I think I can work that out, yeah. And I don't think you'll even notice it. All right. Let me get this off. There we go. Put that in the right spot. Let's see, let's do the top first. Let's do that corner again real quick. Okay, I'll put this up closer for you so you could just barely tell that that is in there, and once we get decorations going, that should, let's see, did I have it up there where you could see it? I think so. Okay. Yay. Eraser out here. You could feel that glue. Okay, did I get some somewhere else? I did. Of course. This is just one of those crafting erasers. Okay, so we got that. This one I'll leave blank. Okay, so I think that's it for the video. I will come back with the next part as soon as I can. I'm still working out my camera thing. I don't know what caused the battery to go dead in the middle because I just got done charging it. All right, so be sure to like and subscribe over here, and I will put up a video over here you might be interested in. So thank you for joining me. Hope you come back, and we will see you on the next one. Go create something fun.